crash helmet with our compasses only. Okay, well, not only, with the help of other tools as well, such as our 3060, our T-square. This has numbers on it, centimeter scale. Okay, mechanical pencil, 0.7 right there. Nice compass. It's a mechanical compass, engineering compass. Alright, so we're going to be drawing the crash helmet today. So the first thing we're going to do is establish our center lines. So I'm going to draw a horizontal center line with my T-square. Right, as you can see, my T-square is flush on the side of the drawing board. There should be no space. Alright, so make sure you have that tucked away like that, so you can slide your T-square up and down, just like that. Okay, no space, no space. You can push your T-square up, down. Okay, so let's draw the horizontal center line. Alright, here we have horizontal center. Okay, so we're trying to establish center for the drawing. So let's draw a vertical center line to intersect at this point right here. So, right, we can turn our triangles like that, T-square. Alright, make sure your tools are stuck together, hold them together like that. Make sure you hold them together. Okay, draw, start from the center there. Noticing these spaces kind of uniform, so you have to check for uniformity. Okay, now that we have our center lines, we're gonna open our compasses to 60 millimeters, which is the same as 6 centimeters. All right, I'm gonna use this scale on this. So I'm going to put my compass point right here, the metal point, on the 0 mark here. Okay? And I'm going to open it to 6 centimeters. Or I could have used my ruler with the 0 mark right here. Alright, so this is 0 mark. I matched it with the center there and put a point at 6. Okay, so we have a point right there on the line, so we can call this point A. Alright, open your compasses now to point A. Alright, oh, before we do that, we're going to draw a 30-degree line with the aid of our T-square and our triangle. So put your T-square on the side there, board, flush. Alright, get your triangle, turn it this way, rest it on top of your T-square. A 30-degree line, you could start right here in the center, go this way, go that way. So this line is a 30-degree angle. Okay. Alright, so as I said, put this on top of your T-square. Check for accuracy. Okay, notice there is no space between my T-square. Okay, so there should be no space. Don't allow the triangle to fall underneath. Next thing I'm going to do, put your compass point, you can call this point O. Put your compass point at O. Right there. Noticing how I'm holding my compass. Alright. Describe an arc from A. And this arc should stop right on the 30-degree line right there. You can call this B. Okay. Point B. So make sure this arc stops on this line right here. Alright. Next, we're going to open our compass to 84 millimeters. 84 millimeters. Alright. So, what we can do as well, we can put the 0 mark right here. And then find 84. The 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 84 right there. So, put a point on the line. You can call that point C. Right. Open your compass. Alright. Put your compass right there at C. Let's continue the arc from B. All the way around. So start from B, all the way down, brighten your arc, noticing how I'm holding my compass. Please notice that, okay? Don't hold the compass like this. No, like this. Alright. What we could do, we could clean up the drawing a bit. Alright. Okay. After you do that, you can measure 50 millimeters from here. Okay. Can call this point D. 50 millimeters. Right, make sure your 0 point is right there. 50 millimeters. Alright, so draw a light horizontal line there. Sorry, vertical line. And just a light construction line, okay? Now take your compasses, open your compasses to about 42. 42 millimeters. Put your compass point at D. Describe a small arc right there. That should right here. E. Okay, so open your compass to 42 millimeters. As we did before, put it here. That's point E, okay? 3060. Ensure your tools are well held together tightly. You can flip it, still sloping that way. Flip it, still sloping that way. Okay. Ensure the tool is not slipping underneath. Okay, get this now. So you're gonna draw a 30-degree line from E to intersect at this point right there. It's going to intersect at F. Okay. you could kind of erase this line just so that it's too dark. Okay, now you can see the face portion forming out. What we could do now, we could draw a vertical line from point A. So put your your set square 30 degrees, your 30, 60 on top of your T square. Okay, hold them together, extend a line from point A, measure about 15 millimeters, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, it's 15 millimeters. 0, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 millimeters. That's how we count it. So we could now draw, put a point there, 15 millimeters, with your triangle. Draw a line from here, which is G. Draw a line from point G. Make sure your tools are held together. Keep your fingers on. And intercept this arc right here. Now, there you can see a nice little crash helmet coming along. Remember, if you want to darken this, okay, you gotta put your compass point C to B, right? For the face portion, you have to start at B. For the face portion, start at B. Only for this portion. For this portion, you have to put your compass point at O. You could start here, or you could start here. Oh, I guess you can see a nice face portion. You can brighten. Darkening the work. Okay, so you should see all these are construction lines, very light. You shouldn't be able to see them. You should be able to see the outline of your crash helmet. Okay, and you can add a little design to it if you wish. Yeah, shade it if you wish. All right, thank you.